Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I do makeup on Nikki, and we are already doing the eyebrows. Cleaning the brows with a concealer from Maybelline, and we are doing the other brow, and I'm using Davis number 3 pencil to fill the brows. I'm then using a brow mascara to brush them off. I'm then using concealer, the same one that I used to clean her eyebrows, and I'm just priming her lids with it to give me a good base for eyeshadow application. I am then taking a brown shade from the Zulu by Juvia's eyeshadow palette, placing that above the crease, the outer V, and then blending it slightly towards the inner corner. Then using a clean brush to blend the eyeshadow. Using an orange shade from the same palette to give me a transition above the brow. I'm then cutting the crease using the same concealer. Using a white shade from the Zaron Smudged palette, and I'm placing that on the lid. I am blending the edges of that white shade using the first brush I used the brown color with, and then taking a clean brush to blend again. I'm then just blending everything together to give me a seamless finish. I am then just applying a very thin line of eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline mascara to brush her eyelashes. I'm using a black eyeliner for her under eye. Using the same brown shade to smudge out the black on the under eye. The same for the other eye. Now applying our Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the one that is normally in a glass bottle, and I've placed it on my hand for easier application. This foundation was like one shade darker, but I managed to balance it. I'm now using a flat foundation brush to blend in the foundation all over her face, to give me that flawless finish. Now blending and blending and blending, because you have to avoid having harsh lines. Yeah, so we keep blending till the foundation is blending into the skin well. Using the same concealer I had used to clean her eyebrows, I am highlighting her nose, her forehead, under the eyes, and the chin, above the lips. And this is to kind of help me balance off the dark foundation, because I didn't have her correct shade of foundation. Yeah, and as you can see, the concealer is almost matching her neck. It's a bit lighter than the foundation, so this is going to really help me balance off the look. And I am using the foundation brush I had used to blend the concealer. And you need to make sure that there are no harsh lines left, so you completely blend. I am then using a beauty blender to blend the other parts, the chin and the under eye, because this one is more precise. It will reach the corners that the brush can't reach. So that's why I switched it up from the brush to the beauty blender. And it helps push the product into the skin better. And I'm just blending, pushing the concealer into the skin, making sure that it is very well blended, no harsh lines left. And if you're using a beauty blender, remember to first dampen it so that you avoid it absorbing your product. And it also helps to, when it's damp, it blends in really well. Yeah, so here I'm just completely blending. I'm adding more concealer, and this is a lighter concealer that has a very rich yellow undertone, and this palette is the Cara Highlight and Contouring palette. I got it from Vitafarm Cosmetics. Of course, I am now blending that concealer I have added with the same beauty blender. And the reason I've added more concealer is just to add more warmth, again because the foundation was darker. So this helped to balance the color. I'm just blending the concealer towards the neck, and I'm now using a clean brush to blend everything together. I am then using some powder below the eyes because that area really creases a lot. I am using the same powder to bronze up and contour the face to give me definition. I didn't have light powder to apply on the whole face, so I just used this one to contour and left it at that. Didn't use any more powder. I just used setting spray to set the face. Yeah, and it worked. Moving to the lips, I used this brown Davis pencil to outline the lips first before applying lipstick. I'm using Regal matte lipstick, a shade called Dreamy. It's a nude pinkish shade. And I'm just filling the lips with the lipstick. Taking an orange shade from the Zulu palette, and I'm using that as blush to bring some color to the look. I of course highlighted the face and added a lip gloss on the lips, and this is our final look. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.